everyone, I hope you are having a great day. Today I would like to take you through some amazing peel-off masks I got recently from Amazon, and as you saw there, one is a black charcoal mask and the other one is a 24 karat mask. I have never tried this kind of masks in the past. It was my first time and I am very enthusiastic about them. And as you can see there, in the past I purchased these Quick Fix Mega Moisture Gel Mask, which is nice but not as good as the next three Good Things Manuka Honey Radiance Face Mask and the Good Things 5-minute mask with avocado and goji berry, and also the Skin Active for pore unclogging mask. All three being more or less similar, as they give you the same feel. Also, great mask is the Snip and Fab Bee Sting Lifting Mask. Just like the Sea Shadow cleansing foam, I like my cleansing foam so much. You can apply even as you wash your hair or you are having a shower, you are in the bath, so you can always give a good scrub to your face with either Sea Shadow or any other kind of cleansing foams. And you can apply them like once per week or once every 2 weeks, depending how you feel, if you want to have a very nice skin. And the last one being the Cucumber Clay Mask from Boots, which is great too. But these last two masks I got from Amazon are out of this planet. They are simply amazing. And the first one is a 24 karat gold peel off mask, which is just great for removing blackheads, it says there. And surprise surprise, is made in China. And opening the package, you can see there they give you a little spatula. They give you information in English, French, Italian, German and so on. It comes in 120 ml. And in Italian it says remove blackheads, and afterwards idratante viso. So they have gotten to translate remove blackheads in Italian, in Spanish, and it's just hilarious. Anyway, inside the mask is just brilliant. Why? Because at the end of the video you are going to see how you can remove it, and it drags everything off your skin. This mask is similar to the last mask, the black charcoal mask, and they both have got more or less similar kind of ingredients. They have got the xanthan gum, both of them. The 24 karat gold is based, of course, on a 24 karat gold extract. It has got the carbamate as opposed to the next mask having a sulfonate in it. And the 24 karat gold mask has allantoin as opposed to the charcoal mask having glycerin in it. So more or less the same components, no wonder the peeling effect is so similar. And the disappointing fact was the 24 karat gold peel-off mask was probably 2/3 full. The next one, the bamboo charcoal mask, was probably half full, and the lid was pierced, although both boxes were sealed under heat. So I'm not sure what they have done. Did they receive them back from other customers and they decided to put them in a new packaging, but they couldn't cover the fact that the lid of the black charcoal mask was open? Anyway, so Amazon has been pretty good in this respect, and yes, left me a happy bunny. Now, this bamboo charcoal peeling off a black mask, of course it was also made in China like the previous one, and it comes only in 60 ml. But the result, and once you apply it in a thin layer on your face, you're going to see that after leaving on for say 15-20 minutes, you peel it in the same way, just like the 24 karat gold mask. So it leaves you with the skin so clean. I have never seen anything like that before. No wonder on the side I put the 24 karat gold, because one side of the face, you'll see later on in my experiment, I put the black charcoal mask, on the other one the 24 karat gold mask. On the side where I put the 24 karat gold mask, I removed probably several layers of my skin, and some spots came to surface, and probably those spots were supposed to come to surface in 2-3 days. I was amazed, and I would say I'm an expert in masks by now, so trust me, I know what I'm saying. So for this reason, I highly recommend these two masks, especially if your skin doesn't have many blemishes, because you don't want to destroy the part of your skin where you have the blemishes and is more sensitive. So if your skin is like mine, which is a combination of mixed and dry in certain areas, and not applying anything when I have the blemishes, then go ahead and use these masks. I highly recommend them. So there you have it. I hope all this information was of any help to you as usual. Thank you for watching and have a very nice day. Bye.